Good morning, guys. Today I will be showing you how you can cook chapati on a MSR whisperlite international stove. So this is like a camping stove that I had bought for wild camping. However, I've never used it for wild camping so far, so I thought why not cook a chapati on the stove. So here we go. I start the stove. Here's the stove going on, and here is my pan for chapati. So while this heats up, I'm going to roll a chapati just here. So here's my chapati ready and rolled. I'm now going to put this chapati on this pan like that. I think it's a bit too high as a flame. So yes, I learned making chapati by looking how my sister and my mom used to cook in the kitchen. So what she taught me was, as soon as you see all these spots forming up, it's the right time to flip your chapati for the first time. And once you have flipped it, you can increase the flame a little bit, just a little bit, like a medium low flame, and occasionally just lift it and see how it's going. So you see the chapati is doing well. Now I would turn the flame a bit more, faster flame, and I'm going to put this chapati directly onto the flame like this. Oh my god, it got burned, but yeah, nonetheless it's good. And by the way, this was my first time that I tried making it on the camping stove. I think it might get, the more I try, the better ways I'll find for it to not burn. So here we go. Fulka chapati using a camping stove. Cheers.